Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency market. I'm going to show you a little bit of evidence why I don't think the bull market is over. And we probably have one more leg up to finish this mid-term top cycle. And when I talk about the mid-term top cycle, I'm talking about 2024 price prediction. I don't know what's going to be happening in 2025 and 26, so I want to concentrate right now to see where Bitcoin could be going up to before experiencing a significant correction. Of course, before we continue, guys, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button for more notification because we post one video every single day. Guys, I want to go straight away into Bitcoin and then I'm going to talk about the stock market because there's something very important that you have to have a look in order to understand if the bottom is in, where are we going to go, are we going to go higher, and so much more. Straight away, I want to show you this chart over here on the 3-day chart, which I'm going to change right now on Bitcoin. And I want to show you what's going on right now here. People are asking me, Andrea, do you think this is the top? Is the bear market right now? What are we going to do? And blah, blah, blah. In my opinion, guys, the euphoria phase of this bull market into this mid-term top cycle was, I would say, ended when we broke this line over here. So whenever we broke this line over here, pretty much that was the, I would say, like a warning sign that the crypto bull market is about to finish. Doesn't mean that we're gonna pretty much experience a drop from here, but what I could be experiencing right now, very similar to what happened in 2020, would be a potential rise from this level here to this level over here, or maybe one more drop down to this area, $44,000, and then one last parabolic blow off top. And as you already know, guys, my target is in between 85 to 90K. And the reason being is because, first of all, we broke this very important level over here, which then we can actually try and retest, like in this case like this, and get rejected again and then go down. Because in that case, guys, we are going to form what we call a bearish divergence. So I want to see Bitcoin to go from this area to go maybe to this, and then go up to here at the same level as this area over here, form a bearish divergence, which usually signifies more downtrend, and then we're going to go down again, perhaps down to $35,000, $40,000, something like that, especially if you're going to hit a recession. But also because of the fact that at the moment, guys, if you compare and if you have a look at the logarithmic scale of Bitcoin from the latest top 2017 to 2000 and roughly 2021, if you put in logarithmic scale, it brings you that the extension of Fibonacci, the 1.618, is coming at $90,000 to $94,000, which is the same line as these two diagonal lines over here, which is the same line as if I take this pole over here, or the bull flag, and bring it roughly around this area over here. They all bring me to roughly $90,000 Bitcoin, which that's what I'm expecting right now. So I'm going to go now and show you a few more things about BTC to give you like an analysis in price so you understand how to navigate for today, just to have an understanding, guys. So some people are asking me, is the bottom in? Have we seen the bottom? Are we going to see more downside? Well, the question, of course, is very difficult to predict, but I'm going to show you what I think today. And guys, we have been so accurate in finding the bottom over here, but also yesterday we were able to detect the short from here to here. We call the short on our VIP group, guys. I knew all about this dump over here because what we do, we post analysis every single day in detail. So we show you exactly what's going on with Bitcoin, but also with so many altcoins as well. So the VIP group was already prepared about this dump happening yesterday with Bitcoin and altcoins. And I want to show you a few results because it's absolutely shocking. These guys are the results from yesterday. I'm completely speechless about my VIP members, and they've done everything themselves, guys. Everything themselves. Look at the result, shorting the market like professional traders. The results are absolutely insane. So if you're really sick and tired of I guess not understanding why Bitcoin goes up, why it goes down, when to long, when to short, what to do, and also if you are an investor that wants more clarification in regards to long-term movement, guys, the VIP group is the way to go. Member calls from my members, trading calls, crypto chat, stock chat, anything you can think of from so many professional traders, and also myself as well. So join the VIP group, guys, because you are not going to regret it. By the way, if you want to join, link in the comment. Now let's talk about Bitcoin again. So what to expect right now, guys? So what we're gonna see right now, in my opinion, what we need to, I would say, do is to be able to break this very important level, diagonal level of resistance over here. You can see like it's highlighted right now here on this orange line, and I could be expecting Bitcoin probably today or tomorrow to go and then go against this area over here. In this area over here, what I'm expecting is going to be a potential rejection to the downside. How low is it going to go to? Well, I'm going to go on the 1 hour chart to show you a little bit better what is going to be my plan. I'm going to cancel everything over here. And you can see that this diagonal resistance was in line exactly. I'm going to just put the RSI down here. It was in line exactly with the 200 moving average. So looking at the chart, from here to here, what I could be expecting would be Bitcoin to be in a potential bear flag. So we see the formation right now of a bear flag. And what I'm expecting right now could be 1, 2, and then we're going to see a push up to here, which is sitting at around $59,200. So I could be seeing maybe today, maybe later today, or even early tomorrow morning. And then, of course, once we're going to touch the level over here, I could be expecting a drop down to a specific area, which is going to be, in my opinion, something around here, maybe $54,000 to $53,000. So I would like to see really the formation of this bear flag. So pump to up to here. So we're going to probably be thinking with the VIP group. We already know, of course, what to do. That's why you need to join to understand how we're going to trade this movement over here. And we're going to make lots of money. Then I could be expecting something like this or something like this. And of course, if you want to know, guys, you know where to find me. So that's what I'm expecting right now, because what we have to do right now will be to continue to go. I'm going to go on the daily and show you a little bit better. Would be to try to reclaim this very important level over here. So the 200-day moving average was lost. So Bitcoin, in terms of probability, it might actually try to reclaim up to this area. And then over here, we might see maybe a rejection down to here. And then it's going to decide whether to go up this way or to do something like this. It's going to be quite interesting to know, what's going to happen. Now, Bitcoin, I think that's about it, guys. Still very bullish. I'm expecting potentially one more leg to the downside, maybe down to 45,000, for the whales to destroy all the bulls' dream, and then boom, it's going to go up to the upside, 85 to 90K, and then after that, midterm top in place. So that's the way I saw right now from here. That's exactly how I see. I want to show you right now. So we broke this very important level. We failed to continue to go on a parabolic trend. So I would say that this one is bringing me to roughly over here. So September, 90,000. Let's see how we're gonna play out. And it all depends on, of course, on the Federal Reserve to see how and what they're gonna say. So that's it for Bitcoin, guys. If you, of course, you want to know altcoin analysis, come on the VIP. But right now, I also want to talk about the reason why I am bullish on Bitcoin and crypto, based on a few other indicators and also the stock market. First of all, guys, 2 years government bonds treasury yield is about to go and reach maybe a level of 3%, which means that investors with fixed income are going to take all the money away from fixed income and put them into potentially stocks and risk assets, like crypto. So I could be seeing right now a potential, I would say, pullback of these government bonds up to this area over here, which could be a little bit bearish for crypto and stocks, and then to continue to go and complete this head and shoulder pattern, which if this is going to happen, guys, very good and very bullish for crypto. Next one, I want to show you the XY inverted correlation with the Bitcoin. When this one goes down, Bitcoin goes up. And I can see that right now, with the DXY, we're forming a sort of a channel. Like we are in this channel over here, and I'm expecting this to break down sooner rather than later, potentially when the Fed is going to cut interest rates in September. And again, if I then translate this pole over here with this one over here, I'm going to show you, it looks like almost like an ABCD pattern. So boom, a bit of consolidation, maybe one more pump up to here, and then continuation and conclusion, roughly around the 95 DXY. So dollar currency index, US dollar is going to lose value. Crypto and Bitcoin, of course, they're going to acquire value. And then, guys, somebody asked me yesterday, how are you so sure? Why do you know all this correlation? Why you're able to predict the market with such accuracy? It all comes to my strategy, which I pretty much developed, throughout many years. It's called the $1 million strategy. Why? Because it enabled me to transform 5 figures into 7 figures in more than $1 million. And I'm also the founder of a company called Freedom Trading Academy. So if you want to, I guess, learn my strategy, how to trade properly and understand all this correlation and technical analysis, you can watch a free video, free webinar. You can go on my page, homepage, just watch a free masterclass over here, and I'm going to show you how you can make 20% plus per month in under 4 hours per week utilizing my strategy. It's a 15 minutes video. You will not regret it. And then you can book also a call with me to discuss, the membership. We sell educational courses for crypto, for stocks. We have a very valid membership, which also you're going to have included the VIP group as well. So if you want to, learn how to trade like a pro, please watch the free masterclass, how I was able to do all of that. And of course, guys, it's all documented. And this 20% per month, looking at our results from the VIP group, guys, it's probably, I would say very very modest, because if you see the results, actually way more than 20% per month. But anyway, look at how much green we got in the VIP group. Anyway, let's go back into our analysis of crypto. So I want to show you as well, very important, after the DXY, the most important part of the video today about patterns repeating themselves. So I believe as well we are due for one last top for the bull market, based on what the NASDAQ is actually doing right now. So the NASDAQ at the moment, guys, had a big rejection over here. And what happened right now has pretty much lost control, tried to climb back up to this way, got rejected, and it looks like it's going to continue to go down. And it almost going to our previous top in 2021. And don't get me wrong, guys, this movement looks, in my opinion, beautiful. It's such a beautiful movement you can see from here, that is going to retest the previous all-time high and then have this last parabolic blow off top. And what is quite remarkable is the fact that if you calculate the bottom, I'm going to go and show you a little bit better like this. If you calculate the bottom of the, sorry, let me just change it and put on the weekly chart. Here we go, so you understand better. So if you see the bottom of the bear market in 2022 to the top, and then you draw a Fibonacci extension, you can see that we were able to break all-time high. Then we went and touched the first level of Fibonacci, and then we can see that we also lost this very important level of support. And if I continue to translate this level of support over here and continue to draw and then intersect this one with our next Fibonacci at 2.618 extension, is bringing me that around October and November, the NASDAQ could actually go up to $24,000. So that could be like our last parabolic blow off top. And it will probably take roughly 84 days. Now, I want to show you something quite interesting. So let me just go and move this on a little bit more. And I'm going to move it by, I would say, up to here until, I'm going to say, September. So parabolic blow off top, maybe until December 2024. So 24,000, that could be the target, right? So we'll take 84 days from this point here to go to a all-time high. And why is that? Well, I think probably we live in a simulation, guys, similar to a very good analyst called Crypto Camel, Camel Finance. He's talking about this one as well. And I want to show you what is quite remarkable is the fact that if you have a look at this pump over here, this like 84 days to go to the upside, which matches exactly this point over here, diagonal line, the retest, which is going to show you as well, very important, a divergence on the RSI. So something like this that you're going to see on the weekly chart, which is very important. If you actually go back in 2007, great financial crisis. Why is it relevant, guys? Because it was the same time when the Fed decided to cut interest rates. And I'm going to show you from here, which is quite crazy. So from here we go, 84 days as well. So the Fed decided, I'm going to show you, we had the top over here, roughly around 2006. We dropped down to this way, completing pretty much a midterm top cycle. Then we went and tried to, of course, climb back up to this area. We broke all-time high, touched the 1.618 Fibonacci, and then we went down to retest the previous highs over here. So very similar to what's happening right now. And then from this day over here, guys, the Fed decided to cut interest rates from the 17th of August. Look at that. Engulfing candle on the bullish engulfing candle, 84 days up to here. So the market went and did this, the last parabolic blow off top. We can even see we can see from here. Look at that. So it broke, I'm going to just cancel here so you can see a little bit better. I'm going to cancel all of that. Let me just cancel. As we said before, we were going up and up and up and up and up, right? Then we broke this level over here. We went down, retested the previous, all-time high support around this area here. And then we went for the last parabolic blow off top, which then all of this created a bearish divergence and the whole thing fell. So I'm not saying, guys, I'm not saying that this is going to happen. I'm not saying that, this is going to be the resolution, what is going to happen 100%, but I would like you to be very mindful that it looks very, very similar. And then after that, we went to the downside and then we continue to go up. So you tell me, it looks exactly the same. Exactly the same. So we're going to see. Are we going to go down up to this area over here? Are we going to go to this area over here? It doesn't matter because I think that we are really due for one last push. And then that's going to be painful. Maybe down to here, if not even down to this level over here. And then after that, we're going to continue, in my opinion. So, guys, just for today, I think that's it. Things look pretty good. I would really would like you to leave you with this in your mind, and please leave a comment down below. Really, I really want to know your opinion, what is going to be happening, but things are looking quite similar to 2007. Thank you so much, guys. If you have a question, leave a comment down below. Next, tomorrow, I'm going to give you, or probably even later today, a video on altcoin, alt season, altcoin analysis, because lots of people are freaking out right now. Don't freak out. Alt season is coming, and I'm going to show you so many good data. Take care, and I'm going to see you soon.